Telhar Waterfall, a hidden natural wonder transforming Kaimur's tourism landscape. Kaimur, Bihar. Tucked away in the lush hills of Kaimur district, Telhar Waterfall, also known as Telhar Kund, is fast becoming one of the Bihar's most captivating ecotourism spots. Known for its perennial flow and untouched natural surroundings, the waterfall is drawing increasing numbers of visitors who are eager to experience its refreshing mist, scenic cliffs, and tranquil pools. Tilhar waterfall is situated about 32 kilometers from Bahabua, the district headquarters, and around 47 kilometers from Mohania. The waterfall is formed by a stream that emerges from the Kaimur hills and drops dramatically into a natural pool surrounded by dense forest. The area is especially popular during the monsoon season when the waterfall is at its most impressive and its steady flow means it remains a beautiful sight year round. The region surrounding Tilhar is part of the larger Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to diverse flora and fauna. Visitors often spot monkeys, deer, and various species of birds while trekking through the forest to reach the falls. The sound of cascading water mixed with bird song provides a perfect escape from the rush of city life. Local authorities recognizing Telhar's potential have begun developing the site as part of Bihar's broader ecotourism initiatives. Recent improvements include better access roads, small parking areas, and viewing platforms to help tourists safely enjoy the waterfall. Plans for eco-friendly facilities such as resting sheds, signboards, and waste disposal units aim to ensure that the area remains clean and sustainable for future generations. What makes Telhar waterfall special is not just its natural beauty but also its role in supporting local communities. The rise in tourism has created opportunities for villagers who now work as local guides, sell snacks, or offer transportation services. The district administration has emphasized that all development should be done responsibly to protect the fragile ecosystem and maintain the area's natural charm. Besides Telhar, visitors to Kaimur can explore nearby attractions such as the ancient Ma Mundeshwari Temple, one of the India's oldest functional temples, and other scenic spots like Karkat Waterfall and the Durgavati Reservoir. Together, these destinations form a promising circuit for tourists interested in nature, history, and spiritual sites. Travelers are advised to visit Telhar waterfall during or just after the monsoon, July to September, to witness its full glory, though winter months, October to February, offer pleasant weather for picnics and family trips. Reaching the waterfall usually involves a short trek through the forest, adding an adventurous twist to the experience. With its stunning cascade, serene forests, and growing popularity, Telhar waterfall is truly emerging as a jewel in Bihar's natural heritage. As more people discover its charms, it stands as an inspiring example of how nature tourism can breathe new life into rural communities while reminding us all to care for our environment.